Writing a resume. Today, writing a resume is very important. Using the right keywords and optimizing your resume so that recruiters can find you through a bundle of applications is something you need to master. It is very important for your resume to be crisp and clear. Your resume cannot be a long-paged essay. Your resume should consist of exactly what your employer needs to see. But why is it so important to write a good resume? Let's find out. Why does a resume play an important role when applying for a job? It helps you create the first impression in front of your recruiter. It makes your application stronger. It speaks about your application before you do. It lets your recruiter know about your past work experience. It lets your recruiter know about your educational background. It lets your recruiter know about your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threat points. It lets your recruiter know about your suitability for the job role and helps them make a better decision. What should a resume consist of? Contact information, opening statement, summary or objective, work history, education, soft skills and technical skills, certifications and professional membership, achievements and awards, additional sections, community involvement, volunteering, etc. Key takeaways. A resume is a document containing details like your skills, education, and work experience. Writing a good resume is extremely important as it can help you land your dream job.